ogbu mmadụ ndụ na-agụ n'elu ụwa. Ọgụ adaala, ọgụ adaala, onye ọbụla azọwụla isi onwe ya. Ewo, ewo, ọwụtakụwario, ọwụtakụwario, ewo, ewo, ewo. Ogbu mmadụ ndụ na-agụ n'elu ụwa. Ọgụ adaala, ọgụ adaala, onye ọbụla azọwụla isi onwe ya. Finally, oh, it's about to go down. My brothers and sisters in the Lord. Oh, you know how we do video. The Buzi Amuma. I remember video. Autumn. My people, please. My people, if they don't confirm, I go come here. I go the one you. I go the one you. I go the one you. I don't go use this kind of one you now. No, I don't say everybody here open since just as my own open. Now since 12 midnight the news break, sha. You understand? You need the evidence. Don't worry, now evidence they come. On I go hear in confession, you go use your hand, talk waiting. Hey. Okay, for this, I beg, give me one bottle of water. No, normal, room temperature. My people, you know, you can happily share the news now. Okay? Don't worry, video is coming. His confession will come. They go bring his confessional statements now. If video they come, no worry, but I don't hear say you know too well. You understand? So maybe after the confession, sickness go kill him. Maybe sickness go buy him after the confession. I don't know. I don't know. You understand? Maybe if sickness will buy him after the confession, when I know what I mean. Person why user me play. See, now because they never get your time. Now because they never get your time. And that person go think say you go do all these things finish, can't go scot-free. That person believe for your mind like this now, you go do all these things finish, can't go scot-free. You know possible. It's impossible. You cannot do all these things and go free. They give our military 24 hours to release. Who they give our military 24 hours to release? Now in dead body they go release for them. Okay, then they give army 24 hours to release. Umutobo. Make we see who go. See, army, make una no even need to bother. Una no need to bother ourselves. Now we not go deal with anybody. We open mouth to talk that kind of thing. Okay? It's true. Chuma Odinga Adikibe. Oh, Yangunem. It's true. It's 100% true. 100% certified information. Gentle is at the border between the living and the dead. You understand? So you dey boundary. You know, say you get the boundary of the living. You know, say the time where they arrest them. Some kind of thing happen. You know too well. You understand? So the information are still sketchy. The information coming out are still sketchy. But I know he is not feeling very well. Maybe before this evening you go buy, or this weekend you go buy. But the whole up. I'm sure he will give them many evidence, especially the hotel where they go stay for Umunze. So this will be the time for them to go after all the people that have been giving him cover. My brother, this one wey dey wear jacket, shey they no go add the jacket money for the this thing? And with the golden this thing, na one for now. Una dey try. So my wonderful people, get ready make I come beat shege comot for your eye. My wonderful, wonderful people. My dear, see, all thanks to the army and the DSS for a wonderful job, for a job well done. We appreciate them. And anybody shouting that they are giving our law enforcement 24 hours to free him, the person should come close and say it. Come close and say it. Okigwe people, I'm not going to tell you how to handle all the evil people that follow Gentulo. The family, the collaborators wey dey on a place. Like I said, I will not be the one to tell you people how to handle them. It's up to you to handle them as you see fit. But if na me, life burial, life burial. If na me, life burial for every person that joined him. All the people that he was buying people alongside them. All of them. He said, are you sure? 100% sure that Igbo is gone. Gone and gone forever. 100% sure. I'm giving you the factual truth. Somebody say fake news. Keep coping. Cope harder. Cope harder. Okay? Nonsonkwa community don't vacate. I don't know. And I hear say they invite the Osu Nonsonkwa. Hopefully it will not just be an ordinary invitation. Okay? Hopefully it will not be an ordinary invitation. My people, hit the like button and share the video. Share with friends and family. Share with friends and family. It is confirmed news. Okay? This one is shouting is fake news. No problem now. At least by tomorrow evening, we will know who is telling the truth and who is lying. Okigwe should deal with those working. Everybody starting from his family. Everybody. You mean so Akada man don't meet? Of course. They don't meet in Waterloo. Yes, they've arrested. And see the thing. Shebi in there, they shout for me devil. Should he be caught alive if he's actually formidable? Should he be caught alive? At least he's supposed to remain one granite that when these people come, you go put them for head. Poof. That one we go know say you be hero. You see them? When they go, they catch people. You carry gun, hold old man, old woman. You hold old man or old woman. You go they make noise. You go they shout. Nye, nye, nye. Ge. We do this. We are formidable. Now, why should you be taken alive? Why should you be taken alive? You should have put one in your head and end it. Now, if they get hope, say they feel if you abi, yeah, unu ga free here. If you abedi, unu afu abedi here. And this is the type of person. My brother, no be only popcorn, no. Hey, I'm drinking my afternoon coffee. My people, from him, we are going to the next ones. Each and every one of these people, each and every one of them must pay for their evil. Kai. Everything they did, all the cries of so many people, I'm sure the celebration is immense. Imagine their traditional ruler, the Abuja. buy soldiers, do everything, and at the end of the day, you still let them capture you alive. Your own finish na you then they call finish. Ibadan man say oti finish. O finish ni. He say you know disappear. Disappear away. Eh? Disappear for where? Where you want disappear go? Which power he get to disappear? I believe say he get Wimbe. Wimbe. Disappear go where? He dey no get any power. All these things are just evil and callous people that the ignorance of our people allow to thrive in our land. If not, how would such people Onyo Okada? You see, Umuaka is being liberated by the military. They've not started any work at Umuaka yet. So long the one that calls himself for $1 million is still active, they never finish. Say bullet na water. Bullet don't turn iron now. Bullet don't turn iron. Where our people, man, the tears of so many people. You know, I'm beginning to imagine how if I'm trying to internalize what has happened. I'm trying to put myself in the shoes of the Okigwe people, and believe me, Kai, it not be well with every single person that participated in this. It shall never be well with anybody whose hand is in this. Oh, Uchenna, you won't amuri omanze. If you dey umaka, you don't amuri omanze now. You don't take away amuri omanze, guys. You don't do their own. My people, hit the button and share. You can now report the news. Feel free to report it. It's been confirmed, and I guarantee you, here will be one of the first places you will see the video if the military decides to release the video. They will release the confessional statement. You know the way they did Onyami own. Yes. They will release the confessional statement. He must use his mouth and say all the things they did. Not as if we need him to say it, but he needs to confirm it for the bingos. Okay? You need to confirm it for the bingos. Let the bingos that are still there, that are still hoping there is anything they are fighting for, know that these are just ordinary human beings. And those of you that were blindly supporting them, you say I no go enter Barnett's Plaza and I go make noise. Like say I carry my loudspeaker for day Barnett's now make noise. Or should we do a parade tomorrow? Get like 2 buses, 4 speakers, play better music, go all the markets where Igbo people full. Eh? Some post saying he is captured. He is captured. They don't capture him. That Igbo is in custody. Ebuka Onwasanya, please. No, they spam the thing. We don't see your comments. Okay? Forget then capture gentle and eye pencil. They no go catch. Now devil lipstick. They no go catch. They capture gentle. Now that one they no go catch. Yeah, even gentle, if you get sense, the first say they buy double lion, suppose show am say in own time. They numbered. Of course, in mind don't they? Body don't tell them. Body don't tell them. Now they know say our law enforcement know the joke. All these things are because of we in the Igbo. What the military need is our support. They just need our support. If you know where any of these criminals are, bring the information. They will be captured immediately. They will be captured immediately. I wish I was still drinking. Kai, I for finish one bottle of Hennessy right now. I wish I was still drinking. Eh? But I no go because of Umutobo go drink wetin go put my health in jeopardy. Now why I dey drink my black coffee? Okay? Are you happy now they captured him? Oh, are you asking me, can I judge? You are asking if I'm happy. Hmm? I'm elated. I'm ecstatic. Eureka! They've captured the Oso. Have you people forgotten what he did to that army girl? Eh? Have you forgotten what he did to that army girl? By the girl, by the husband brothers. Even they tell him boys, say, may they cut the private part for them. Ojiye megini. The private part one ye me. Eh? Forget, they are not, they don't owe anybody anything to show you his videos or photos. All you need know is that he has been captured. Okay? He has been captured. He has been captured. That's all you need to know. It says Scottish. As for Nnamdi Kanu, let him, if they like, let them say his head is falling off. He go by there. He go by there. And I mean, they tell on. He go by there. What the military need is support. Stop buying on this propaganda that the military is there to buy you. They are there to do this. Oh, Fulani. Who told you our people are in the army too? Eh? Our people are in the army too. Somebody say show us the evidence. Don't worry, they wait now. They wait. We are not under any obligation to show you anything. You like, you believe it, you like, don't. Okay? Until the army deems it fit or the DSS deems it fit to show his face. Okay? He said the news is all over the internet. Forget being all over the internet. Take it from me. They have captured Ratiboai. They have captured Ratiboai. Are you understanding me? One Utobo say you are once with them. Now your mama was once with them. Okbo Anumpama. Now your mama was once with them. Also, Okoko. It is true. Go Gaddafi. The news is true. Okay? The news is true. He has been captured. Very simple. He has been captured. Jutobo has been captured. Are you understanding me? He don't go. Oya support law. He don't go. He is gone. Hello. Hey, my wonderful people. Not be only you, they full of joy. Me, I'm also full of joy. Which song I go to sing now? Omekwala yozo, me you. Imagine the women that will be dancing in the village now. Imagine how women will be dancing in the village. What about Fubi? A small girl that was just a new army intake. A new army intake that went to the village to show her grandma that she had been are accepted in the army. Eh? They just carry them like that. Buy them. Eh? One Utobo say, are you against Igbo? Look at it. Can you imagine the type of nonsense human being that is asking me this question? So you now, are you happy they captured Gentle or not? So I shouldn't be happy that they captured Gentle. You are here asking me, I'm for Igbo or what? Are you stupid? Eh? Are you stupid? Okoko. Also, Mpama. One knows who they there with a fake name with Chinese Mandarin writing. Go and cry. All of you, they must buy each and every one of you. And those of on our way go after people family. All of on our family they go after them. Yes, it is so key where people go leave them to family. They've gone for life. If they like, may they run go anywhere where they like. Okay? If they like, may they go anywhere. Okay, where people, I go use this one, know whether when I don't get sense, I do when I never get sense. I go use this one, know whether when I get sense, I be when I no get sense. Now this one I go take no. Whether when I get sense, I be when I no get sense. Every single person that worked with Gentle, recycling. With those guys and they need to pick up. Who be that person? Eh? It is true. He's gone. He has been arrested. So we are waiting for this thing from authority power. Middle Balu. Tie anybody you want to tag them here. See, I don't know if you people will see living Gentle or vegetable Gentle, because according to the information, be like say bullets touch and bad place. So I don't know whether you go die alive when I go see him or you no go die alive. Now the information where would they get now? Okay, we don't know whether you go die alive now in body on I go see, or you dey on your way to Abuja now for interrogation. But I know that according to the report, be like say you know to dey alive, you dey boundary, dey border between the living and the dead. Okay, so this is what awaits each and every single one of them. You can eat your money for how many years you like. You can buy people, sell their vehicles, sell their body parts, do whatever you want to do, but one day will be one day. One day will be one day. Hand go touch you. If they tell them to say hand go touch and you go gree, okay. Those of on our way still they sacrifice people, say na for protection. All the people wey Gentle buy, all the so-called juju wey you do, how far, how market? Eh? How far, how market? Eh? How far, how market? Why did juju no save am? All the human heads wey he cut finish, that is shrine wey they give person head. How come none of them save am? Eh? Guys, please hit the like button and share the video. Inform everybody, let them know that we in Igbo, we are happy. Use this one to know that juju is scam. There is no power in that juju. Fake. Especially you where the buy person, you say, juju, that which kind juju go they help you to buy person? You know they exist. Okay? Where is juju now? Gentle boys, you see those on our native doctors where they come, say then they do alpha, this one na sabo, that one na sabo. At least now I know say them be fake. Go after them immediately. Go after them immediately. All their nonsense shrine, you know they work. If they work, then for no catch gentle. Okay? If you they work, then for no catch gentle. Are you understanding me? Then for no arrest gentle. If you they work, all those native doctor where they say no, na bring people ishi, go collect your own ishi. Yes. Go collect your own ishi now. There is no power there and there is absolutely nobody. You are offending by removing their issue. Tell them say they make on a go comot people issue, buy people, behead them, use them do sacrifice. Still, they still catch gentle. What is the need of the sacrifice? Eh? Waiting be the need of the sacrifice now. After every they still arrest gentle. And I don't see all those issues when they bring, they use and do business. Ndị Igbo, every single native doctor that is involved in this thing should not be taking in oxygen. I will leave it at that. They should not be taking in oxygen. You never see it on national news because this one na regional news you dey listen to like this, abi? Eh? This one na regional news you dey listen to. We are giving you updates and they are telling us you haven't seen it on national news. Which kind of national news pass this one? Ah, Hennessy Owen. Now dancing. Istanbul man. Hey. No mind them. My people, the wages of sin is spying. The wages of sin is spying, and this one has received his own. Like I said, I am not sure he is completely alive. His execution should be there. That's if he never died by now, because I hear say some things enter in body. They give him woto. He collects. He chop am. Body tell am. Blessed on. Mama Sabu. The Sabu first lady. The Sabu first lady. He don't collect. My people, please thumbs up and share. Invite all your people. Invite all our people. Made in the year. At least now when they talk of army, make people know army still there. Our army na still our army. Army still tanda, body still dey cloth. Don't let the G Carlo, age dey gonu gentle, Ratiboa. Ratiboa in the cage. General. Temu general don't meet 3 generals, but he don't tell her. He dey believe. One tozo say he go soon buy. I know say your Nandi go soon buy. Now shebi they don't talk and say you know where. Now from that place you go buy. Umutobo. Let me block one or Ozu. Up Nigeria army. Up army. Up the. Who be that? Okay, I know the person. It's a confirmed news. Me and he said juju no work. There is no juju anywhere. Okay? There is no juju anywhere. And army will send him to that is Biafra. He must reach that Biafra. He must reach Biafra. Yeah, so His Excellency Senator Hope Uzodinma. If you don't do like this now, before they call you Ikegbo. I cannot call you Ikegbo. I won't need to behave often like this. I can when you get carry the walk. Yeah? If you give us security, go live for Abuja 40 years. Who cares? Eh? Ala Igbo must be liberated. Now, wow. Ask him as no Kabuzuku Imo State. Eh? Akamasi no Kabuzuku Imo State. All hell senator, hell Puzo. You see, if you they leave these people, they go leave you. But you push them, they will know their job. They will know their job. You don't understand me, ba? Somebody say, let me go and tell Simon Ekpa. Let him know. Let him know. Leave angel makeup. Ejide kwere onye nke ọ bụrụzie angel makeup ka ama njide. Eh? Let me block one also. Ejide kwere angel makeup. Eh? Please, as you people they greet, Mona help me greet our able Senator Hope. When you give the aeroplane, so the plane, no, nobody cares. Yeah? If you follow the plane, they go France now. Nobody cares. You say the arrest has to do with Enugu. You say lie. Don't worry. On a very good day, I go explain to Ona. We'll give them up. He say attention shift to enjoy makeup. No, that one no go difficult to hold. Okay, you no go dey difficult to hold. They go hold am. They go hold am. They go hold am. I am very sure of what I'm saying. Gentle shall disturb Okigwe no more. Gentle shall disturb Imo State no more. Ha! Akwa ọkụkọ tiwara aki n'ọba. Akwa si shege for that guy handle. Akwa si shege for his hand. Akwa si shege for these people hand. And no be person go use them carry akwa. Eh? He say Jamaica. No. You know say when somebody time don't reach, even if you give them Rolls Royce or Ferrari or Lamborghini, say see this road, carry them, run straight for your life. You go reverse, go back to where they go buy them. Nsima. How far, my brother? I salute you. My people, please hit the share button. Kai, I'm the happiest man. You say me they carry am come Okigwe. No. Hello. We don't need to carry am come Okigwe. No. Give me another one. Yes. They say they don't need to carry am come any Okigwe. Chinasa Nwewu next. I hear say Chinasa Nwewu don't go Australia. I will still confirm that one. I say now gradually, now one after the other, we go to follow them. Hear me clearly. There is nobody involved in this thing that will go scot-free. Are you understanding me? There is nobody involved in this who will go scot-free. Now me they tell you that one. Believe her. Believe. None of them will go scot-free. It will never happen. We are here to stay. Whether Chukwu Kofebu, the Udele himself, is here or not, the people that will come after us will make sure that none of the people who are involved in this thing will taste the beauty of Ala Igbo that is coming. I want to tell you something. By the time this is over, a great Ala Igbo will rise. That is Ala Igbo that nobody would ever brainwash again. Ala Igbo where people will be thinking like human beings. Ala Igbo where our kids will be leading in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math. We need, in terms of technology, we should be leading Africa, and it should be the Southeast leading the front. Not all these diagnosis sit at home. We've given them our land, they've managed it for half a century. This is what they gave us. It's time for the people to rise up and take back their land and decide how the next half a century will be. Okay? They've told us it's either them or us, and we are going to tell them that it won't be us, it will be them. It's either them or us. One will go. They are the ones that will go. Evil can never defeat good except good men refuse to fight. We have left them for a long time. Okay? We've left them for a long time. Now we are coming to reclaim our land. Those of them that say they are from Israel, please use your Google map. Una say una from Egypt to migrate, you reach Sudan, you say, una still follow the same way they go back. You see this our Ala Igbo, it will swallow each and every one of you, both the politicians, every single person involved. Victor Sunday say this guy by him brother. So many people, you are not the only one. Many people buy their fathers, many people buy their mother. These ones are the ones who we know. There are people who have been declared missing for long, and they don't know say na him do them. Okay, guys, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Keep up the thumb up button, thumb up and share, thumbs up and share. Share the video, spread the news, spread the news. Of course, we the saboteurs, we run this game, we run this shit. We run this game. We will never let them. No. It's been long coming. Let me block one also. See these ones, they are coping. Keep coping, oh. You say, Ijele, please come TikTok. No, TikTok now when I reach house. TikTok now until I reach house. I will come TikTok. I will come TikTok. You say after God, now government. Now government will be the God where you see. Now government be the God. You know, see when they say make everybody stay inside house, they lock up. You know, lock up. And they still they okay, bless them. Say make I bring them in. Let me bring in. Bless them. Have you sent your request? Bless them. I've not seen your request, so bless them. Send in the request because I can't bring you on from here. Send your request. Send your request, bless them. They've captured Gentle. There is no longer breaking news. It's no longer breaking news. They've captured the Oso. The Utobo is in custody. The Utobo don't collect. Okoma Nonyerum, let me add you. I'm adding Okoma Nonyerum. Where you see any of them, bring the information. Hello. Hello, my brother.
The great Ijele.
One again, man, welcome.
Akasirike. Brother to Ratibua. I've been trying to reach you, my brother. I say, this calls for celebration, my brother. It calls for celebration. This is, it's been long awaited. We have been waiting for a news like this. At least everyone out there is beginning to see who you are. Because many of the Igbo do not know you. They just think it's all about coming to social media to rant and blah, 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 blah. No. I told them some time ago that the work now is underground. They will just flash on a phone. But the underground work will keep on going. The issue of Simon Eba is, that one is a forgotten issue now. Nobody is talking about that again. Until HOP is finish. Then they will bring in this side. Because now for here, 9 they go here. Then as for Ratibo, I will only say kudos to the Nigerian military. It's been long awaited. We have been clamoring for this. And it will not just end at Rati. It will not end at just gentle. There are so many gentle out there. And to those who are still in their camps, you know what the new slogan is? Operation do what? Fire, commander, and surrender.
Yes.
Fire, commander, and surrender. And it's paying off. At least gentle is, shall I say, down now. Then more are to follow. This time is not a time to be engaging these morons on social media, arguing with them. No. The game is if they play, if they show. Now waiting we day now. Waiting we day now, if they play, if they show. If you say you know they hear, you go hear by force. I always tell them say, make una no worry, una never see anything. They never cheat on it. He go reach everybody last. He go reach everybody. They not the third person. You understand? So
yes,
I don't know. Yeah, you be like say would they suffer similar thing. Fatty liver now allow me. Otherwise, by now, you know, now Campari and NSC, their body for don't declare them now. Nevertheless, we will still need the one we will not say our body will fit.
Of course.
Take. We don't go warriors. You understand?
Of course.
I say kudos to you. And kudos to all the Sabo nation, which is the Ijele nation family. Mama Sabo, would they see you? I got my car for you, madam. You're a rugged woman to the core. Don't the all these ones will be saying to just the waka they find one thing or one man will to help. See woman will stand firm morning, afternoon, night. She did there with us. She they expose the criminals. I'm talking of Madam Blessed. Kama gasi na amuru nwoke se mo wana anyo mo nwaye de ka Madam Blessed.
Blessed. Yes.
Nwoke nwe eji eme gini, nwoke dị ka gentle, nwoke dị ka nke na-eto ọtanjere n'osi na gịnị makeup.
Ajel makeup.
Aha bụ nwoke nwanyị chọrọ n'ala Igbo. Is where my brother, I say make I hear. I greet all the whole Ijele nation family.
Thank you so much.
You go
ahead.
Now the starting point with this. So
yes.
Papa Sobo.
Of course, now, of course, everything has been confirmed. And they are confirmed going on Utobo no in custody.
Okay, on my band, on a coupon, on a coupon.
Oh, suppose what are they couldn't?
Anyway, even Joebia here, but I'm on Fugo video, no so kwame.
No.
About me. No. So. Imana. One thing about our people, Bona, they will always want to, you know, you prefer how cool so your spirit will go down. I watch a video, no so, Najo, Onyebudi Kenga, Onyedo Najem information, Onyedo, Abumoni Imo State. But I will address that one, no so, Igbo Imo State, but camp the Nazubon.
That village, Yabongo, in his village, there is a camp.
No, I dare you to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Now, let me address this. No, so misleading information about Honorable Ngozi Egbo. First thing first, Honorable Ngozi Dekage, like the supporter of insecurity, because into a given also a pure supporter of these killers. That's why you can't even mention their names.
Yes.
Instead of you, if I say, Onye na babu mad, Ona Hezochi, Asidozi Berosi, if I had but him onye baburu.
Yes.
But you will not mention. Look, let me tell you, non so Abraham died POBO. And Abraham, the kind of person in we keep tajiri tanja. Agwamono last time here that if you know who go deep, you will see the attack. Go to their platform now and see what is going on. Go to their platform and see what is going on now. How they are insulting or no. Because these are people who hate the truth. No, so misleading information, whatever. No, so let me ask you. Am I in Imo State? The answer is no. Am I from Imo State? The answer is no. Do I know who is Ngozi Ebo? The answer is no. But how do I know that Ngozi well now when Akwamozubeha? How do I know? And beside, now my video, they support, but all tradition over there. Ijele, on anybody totally Kwozi settle. Don't you know that? Yeah? Into a good Ijele no. Madochi Kwozu Mwambe Akwukwo from that side of Eben Gozindo. Don't you know that the person must settle these people?
Of course, those communities where they operate.
Of course, from the information, Honorable Nyel, it was saying that they welcome these people because if a government to educate they never pick up on that information, no nearly under duress is possible. Yes. Man, I want people to understand this. Honorable Ngozi, the support of these people, but Honorable Ngozi don't want Kabia Boko. Honorable Ngozi don't want anything to happen to his family. Honorable Ngozi the question go about this thing. How do I know that how well Akwamozu better? How do I know? Because we're going to on the phone, go and investigate. Now, you let me know. Okay, a security officer. Well, he can say yes, but Ngozi will not tell you that you have to settle. Not everybody Ngozi will settle that Ngozi will tell him. It's not possible. Look, let me tell you. I found one the other time, no mark. I don't know why our people do a problem. Look, I'm not doing this to kind of, to put Honorable in trouble. No. It's not his fault. Or the security situation over there. That week had a walk no Nemo Brumo mad. Go and investigate in Onimo. You draw a Kellogg's time. Take it now any mother anywhere close to Onimo. What are you people talking about? Conrad Bungozi Ojikwa by the way Nalamoto. Now not a dome and insecurity now peak. And this no so. Let me tell you. Your info will catch up with you. I've been monitoring you. Your job is to, always try anybody you see fighting insecurity, want to talk down on that person. Your info will catch up with you. You say you are from Igbo State. Are you from Igbo State? You are from Igbo State. But look at even man they can't make Igbo State. You can't even talk. You can't even call his name. You can't even call the name of Gentle. You can't mention Jacob. But you want to tackle me. Manobro Simon for Simon, but he for Nand. Yes. Who is Oga Simon? Who is Oga Simon? But you want everything to be dumped on Simon Eber's head as if you don't know what is happening. Let me tell you people something, and I've said this. Let Imo State government investigate Nonsopa. Of course. Let Imo State government investigate him. Because Nonso knew something. That's why Nonso can never. I dare Nonso. I challenge you to call out Nandi. Can if you're a man?
You can't.
No Igbo person on earth. Amarona, the problem we are facing today in Igbo is caused by Nandi Kano. But you Nonso don't know. You don't want your own generation no reach there. If Nonso can talk, but your own generation cannot reach even Nandelo. Are you a man? Nonso, look, let me put on Kamuna Obia Mebe Saga. But the only thing I'm going a little bit quarter of fallen Lonimo State. And they go and they ask people. And then I do, how do I know? You will never know it. And you will also go and mark today's date. Very sure.
You say
I forget because onye na-atụ asị onye mgbe Imo State nọ na this trouble, you will not, instead of you to talk, if the day kwuso ọsọ ife mere na Abia State, gị nwa na-ajụ ma bụ onye Imo State bụ onye Abia State no nsogbu. Oh, why can't I go to my place? Ibonye Abia. Man, you dey open ihe na Abia. Ka ngwa gị happy for Magio. Amam iwe gị, amam ife bụ your anchor. Iwe gị bụ number 1. Na nna-eme onye ndu unu attack. Ọ bụrụ attack ka nna-eme. Ife na-agwa onye ndu unu bụ the truth.
yes.
And I'm not because I hate him. If I'm not aware, but the bitter truth. Go to Nonso was comment section. If I'm not there, only Mbishi can. If you Nonso, that's why Nonso, I dare Nonso. If you want Igbo to listen to you, if you want Igbo to take you serious, if you claim to be a journalist, I want you to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Let's see. I dare you to do that. So, my people, let me repeat it here again. My video, another video. Honorable Ngozi is in support of these people. Honorable Ngozi sponsors these people. But the thing, Bona, where he's from, is because it's a tradition. These the people they consider their security. These people hijacked their hometown. Everything you will do, even security. If you want to form security, you have to consult them.
If their commanders that will be head of security, go to
honorable that no one down. But from the testimony of Honorable no so the first question here, so over there, will you settle them? You must not go to their camp. Got to their camp. You can call who you know to settle. So you don't know what happened. And somebody may say, oh, Ngozi, Mona Ngozi Kuru, but Obanum no yet. Yes, you don't blame him. You don't blame him. I'm not blaming him. I'm not saying that Honorable is in support of these people. No. But the thing about insecurity, one day it will get to your doorstep. These people one day can buy no, so the same people on our support.
As long as he's supporting them and their spokesperson is the one they send their videos to claim a Fulani attack and everything, they are good with him. But the moment he will start saying the truth, that's when they will go after him.
Exactly. Is he or no Weibo? Ijele, is he or no? If these people get to know now, if these people just small exposition, small exposition, no women, All of them is now. That's why I told you, no, I dare you to tell these people the truth. Don't lie against them. Just tell them the truth and see what will happen. The same thing I'm challenging Nonso. If you claim to be a man of integrity, I challenge you, Nonso, expose Nnamdi Kanu. Or do you want to tell me that you don't have anything to expose about Nnamdi Kanu so I can send it to you? Nnamdi Kanu sisi wondame, sisi wo police. Say no bo na ndi na wa potilo brain ha then a floor. Say that no one when any police in Jeba na kwa hajeli rice. Oil folk. No, so how come you can't expose that? But you want to talk Ikenga's matter. Anyway, I will go so other people will talk. But before I go, no, so I dare you to speak about Nnamdi Kanu. It's a challenge.
They're not born away. They're not born away. They're not born away.
I will not come and challenge you again. I will not reply to you again. I will not say anything, but I challenge you. If you want to be qualified to talk to me, if you want to be qualified to speak to Igbo, I dare you to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Let's see that you are a real man. Ijele, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my brother. We appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. Bless them. I've not seen your this thing. No. Ugo Gaddafi and Chimezie. Let me add Ugo Gaddafi and Chimezie. Ugo Gaddafi, then followed by Odugwata. Hello.
Ikenga Bola. Yesterday, I know my space. Ikenga as a duty course. Now I know there.
Chimezie, I can hear you very well.
Ijele speak. Okay, mom.
Ugo.
Okay, mom. Kedije.
One I'm fine. Good afternoon, sir. Monsa in America. Kunu na money.
Yes. All the ma.
Welcome.
On our iye me mamada. That is the on our ikuku kafi kokoko.
Yeah.
Epu na fire meta. Kamwe ipro na absent gina nilo. Maybe many things. But on the buy na lapo ikenyora ru na ekisi okwo. If go isi na wamba na isi na wa agụ gafe anyị nwere na Igbo na aka na akpara ha nwa eze kude na now. One day we can never get tired because of what na go mata na echi ma nwanne echi ma nya bụ na ka ha rabu ndị ọbụla na support ife a na-eme na Igbo be anyị bụ ihe na-adọrọ mma fa ejicha na were zere mmiri.
You say all the banana.
No some come from one away go come from no some post. Spokesman ndị ọka na-akpọ non-government, even ọka kpọrọ non-government today. Negide nọ nso. The government na n'ihe ya na-agba mara. Nwanne enje make up ya yi isi ya ọfụma maka o ya eru ebe ibe elu. Ị na-aghọta? Faru ebe a fata ka mmara anụ obere amụ gentle ọta gentle bere ntị ọta otu ọba na-atọ ọtụ nwaanyị akpa amụfa kaba ya ata n'ọgbọ a ndị be anyị nọ na sọpọtụ ihe ọjọọ ndị anọ n'ime ọhịa o nwere onye chọrọ ịpụtakwu ụlọ na ndị ekperimụa na-ekperimụa mụnyere ọkụ a ọ dịgo ka ọ ya adị ike nke uru ekene nchukwu na ike nga mechara wụrụ repentant IPOB ọ ihe m kwesịrị ị na-akpọ ya repentant IPOB ọ ihe m kwesịrị ị na-akpọ ike nga maka na onye na-efu efu mana na ọ na-efu efu ọdụ ese egosi ya ụzọ ike nga ka pụtara n'oge o mere ihe ka uche mefọ mana uche mefọ apụtachabeghị gbọcha ihe ọ bụ n'ọnụ nwanne Ijele jisi ike ana m enwe aṅụrị ndị ebe ahụ ịfụ na anyị nọ n'elu na anyị na-ana enekwuo m anya ị ga-agbapụ na n'ụdị ọhụụ na anyị na ya once sekuriti ya iwe ya bụrụgo sekuriti n'ụwa niile ị na-aghọta so ebe ọ bụ na ọ dị otu a anyị we call this for celebration. Celebration. I get celebrate Ifa. Only AG. Mana agama rise. Because no because enwetu no ya aṅụrụ nke obu n'afọ mana nke ọkwọ n'azụ ụmụ ọkwọ n'azụ adịgo brutal ụmụ ọkwọ n'azụ adịgo brutal and ụmụ ahụ ọkwọ n'azụ ekwetụrụ otu eji enweta nwuo 500 of them enweta 500 of them reduce line that population ya bụrụ na ndị Igbo na ya enwezi population gbuoro anyị mmadụ 500 nọ na arụ
kata ma ndị ụmụ nwoke niile onye ọbụla nụwa 4 5 before 20 years amụchie ma ndị egburu egbu ma ndị gburu ụfa
otu a mụrụ ojento ịma na ọ gbara aja mmadụ o nwere ike kpọkwuo ma onye nwere ma onye ọ chọrọ ịnara ego ọ nata nwunye o nwere ike kpọọ ya na ọ bụ onye otu ya mgbe na-ayọ ndị otu anyị na-eyi akwa ọrụ ha biko fa were uche okenye were chọọ ihe danye na ana mmiri maka ka hapụ maka otu ejie oya akọmiti onye ọbụla enwere ike ịkpọkwuru akọpa ebo ị na-aghọta na oya akọmiti ma onye nwere ikpe o mere so biko ọ iwe edebe ikpe isi akpụkọrọ m afọ ọnụ kpụrụkwuo ma ajị mkpa abụ tinye n'ime ya ngezi ihe gbajide ya ọfụma achọghị m ka nnụ na ọ nọkọtara atụ na ọ ṅụrụ sniper nwụọ maka na ama m aka ndị jidere dịkwu n'ime ihe ọ na-eme akọwa ụtọ ewepụ aghụghọ anyị abụghị ụmụazị kama na ndị be anyị sị na-atọdo nze na ala okwu eziokwu o nwere ihe etuto tụrụ n'ọnụ amụ ọ gbadogo ha ọkpụkpụ ha nụrụ gbadoro ha n'onu so they have to do the needful because agbara m ihe mere na gentle ga-esi wee nọnwụ 3 years n'iro na-akpa ike asị na onye n'ebe dị ka onye nwe na-ezo ihe nwa na anyị Igbo nke anyị a laka gịnị eji ọkpa wee gazuo ndị ebe ka o zoro ebe ka gentle zoro na anyị Igbo anyị a ebe ka gentle zoro
n'onwere ka ọra ana na-enwere ka ọra
onye na-enwere ụlọ kedu ebe o zoro na-ama mfụ ya ọ dị eri nri ọ dị ala nwaanyị gịnị ka ị na-agwa m kama na awa wee gbaa afọ wee ruo ntu a mana otu ka dị mma ọ ka dịbara gbuo ha nyocha ọfụma fajide jentụl ejide fajide jentụl ọnwụ na eru ya spoku n'ọnụ amụ
Adenye ndị amị advice ihe ha ga-eme mmadụ don't worry they know what they will do to him.
Ihe ji ekwukwe n'ụlọ maka compromise ihe ji ekwukwe n'ụlọ maka
compromise ebe onye agbugoro ndị amị nwanne ka ihe na-akọzi destin ị na-eme ka ịmahụ ndị bụ ndị amị onye gbugoro ndị amị onye ka ị na-akọ gbuo nke egburu beri ya ara beri ya ọtụ ị ka na-eche na agana
mana ịmakwana emere ife ndị amị ahụ ịfụkwara onwe onye anyị mana ebe ọhụrụ na a na-arụ ọrụ a na-enwe ndị na-arụ ọrụ onye ụrụ nwere ike onye ụrụ by mistake ndị afụ na a na-atọcha ya ọnwụọ ndị be anya nchekwa dịkwa ya achọkwa ka aka akụkọ ọntị ọ bụrụ njide ya ejidegbuoro m mmadụ 500 n'isi njide ya ndị fọrọ anyị ata ndị fọrọ na ndụ
ozugbo
mmadụ 500 tebụl ọkpụ ikpe ịma na ndị ahụ ndị na-ahụ hide and seek ọkwa ihe ụmụazị na-akpọ ya hide and seek aba na-eme ha zo target ye ndị rugardị nwụchara action bita na-arahụ ụra na taking point adakpo ha ọlepi nke ha na-eme ndị uniform ọ dịka ya asụ na ha da active tebụl ọkpụ ibu 500 of them nwanne ebe niile adọọcha ọra ọnịcha adọọcha ozugbo ogboko adọọcha n'isi fa
eziokwu
to Imo steeti ya adịrịrị ọcha ama m na ọsọ na-eme ebe niile na ndị sekuriti ejenti nọ na ọda steeti ha ka egwucha na ọsọ na-eme na onye ụlọ disgaisịrị fa mkputuo ha na moto n'ote onye ọbụla tọbụta onwe na na ndụ
ozugbo
Imo steeti apụ na tie ndị nwere na-eme na ọ na-akụrọsụ agbago Asaba mkputuo dị ho pasenja onye ọbụla kọwa ife ọ na-arụ eputuo kọl atọrọ nke egwu onye mere escape ka hapụ ịbịa Lagos nwa m isi ma ọ hapụ ịbịa Abuja bịa nwa mmadụ isi onwere ebe fada
onye nke ọbụla afọ na Abuja eje nwee DSS nwụrụ ya ozugbo
ya ka m na-ekwu
DSS nwụrụ ya one hand
ọra ma ịmara pa so o nwere ndị onwere ndị ya asị onwere famili nọ n'ala Igbo ma n'ọtụ 3 of them ya asị gị na fa enweghị ndị nwere idea ndị na-eme ihe a na ndị adị ndị ọrụ pa ọrụ ụmụ ọjọọ Ijele jisi ike nwanne
ndị na-agwa m PIN account number please Henry Chimezie or anybody that has my UBA account number please write it here, let me pin it na mmemme
yes mmeje titan and offering me by weekend yes ihe na-ekwudebe ya bụ datana ịpụtago ilo one man down agụgo m nke one man down ọ na-enọ isi ka ndị a ji erue nku onye ọna na-atụ ụjọ ị na-ekwu eje mụọ be gị ọkụ ịma na ha na-enwe matiti na fuel na akpa stedi matiti na fuel adịghị akọ ndị a udodi nwanne jisi ike ka ndị butu oge ka ndị tuo onye ọzọ nwere ike bata anyị bụ ụbọchị taa.
Please, somebody help me post that my thank you, Chimezie, for posting the account. Let me pin it. Nadia, my brother, go ahead.
Good evening. Our great Masha.
Welcome, my brother.
You must say where it is. And congratulations to our gala for another victory.
Yeah.
And the Rainmaker. Lack umbrella. May they never lack raincoat and raincoat. And the thunder must keep striking. Anybody trying to block the rain from falling in the middle of summer, may that rain consume that person. Any of their sponsors, that rain will consume them. And congratulations to our commander-in-chief. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This is another victory for him. Because without him, all this won't be possible.
Yeah.
And I don't know if Governor Ike is still part of the people that made this possible. So we don't want to give credit to somebody who's not worthy of it. So we say congratulations to him for finally realizing that
he needs to do his job.
Yeah. So congrats to him too. So we should give them credit. And for those who are protecting regarding the Temu General, please, the DOC should give order. They should protect the Temu General with their life. If any say they fight in the middle of the night, those people will fight you. And we don't want to see the Temu General in court. We want to see Temu General after singing. After singing, he should be subjected to military tribunal, and it should be made there. No, if you are any police, any law enforcement, or even Boy Scouts, you should be tried any court. You should be subjected to military tribunal, and this is the only way people will be scared of laying their hands on any security operative. This is what is happening currently. Because instead of taking people to court, they take them to a kangaroo court. They use one order or one useless law, and they trash out the issue and they scrap it in the name of there's no enough evidence to deal with the bingo. So we do not allow any kangaroo court to try this thing. This is subject military to take charge. I think with him, once he's done singing, they know what to do. They know he's united with his ancestors, with his brother. His brother is united with his brother. He's Ono.
He's the fake Ono.
They should unite with his fake Ono, and they should also start working with him. Whatever intel they have on him, they should all their media personnel, people like Nosompa, who is their spokesperson. If there's any link, they should grab these people and they should be subjected as well. They are not different. The only difference is this one has arms and he himself he has his phone and his tech.
Okay.
to carry out his spying online by deceiving people. So he is not different from them. So he should be subjected. Any other media personnel out of Nigeria, within Nigeria, to be subjected to the same treatment. They're all terror. They are sponsors. None to be spared because if we keep romanticizing these things, we think it will go out of consequence. If you see anybody that is part of their sponsor, whether it's a politician, it's a businessman, all of them should be subjected within the preamble of the military. Not judiciary. We are not going to try anybody in the judiciary because at the end of the day,
Never. We don't have that time.
So we are done wasting taxpayers' money in the name of we are feeding prisoners. These people don't deserve to live. We are done. We can't be paying tax and we don't have good roads in so many places. We don't have good hospitals. That money should be directed to something else. If we have so much money that we have to waste, it shouldn't be to feed people who have been buying soldiers, police, even to the common road safety, who have no arms, who poses no threat to you, stay by them. So we should stop wasting money on these people. It should be applicable to all jobs. Anybody that buy even not the police, should be tried by the military. Because this thing of handing over to the judiciary and the useless case, they prolong it. Before you know it, they say one governor give them an amnesty. Enough of this shenanigan. Because
nobody will tell that nonsense in Imo State.
We end up, it looks as we are not becoming accomplices to these activities. So we should be trying these people, dealing with them immediately. So others will there is no amnesty anywhere for any captured people. Either you buy your commander and you go and take amnesty, but once you are captured, you should be subjected to military. That one name.
My brother.
And to the faithful patriotic citizens who in one way or the other contributed to this.
Thank you, 7-star General. I appreciate you. My brother Henry Timeze, go ahead.
No da ke chala le general, ala ko ke ga wuri to ko thank you to the security agencies. I want to echo your story.
Okay, let me pause. Let me mute my mic.
Yeah, Jovika. Yeah, batawa. Jovika reba. Jovika lo abala. Jovika reba para jet to Tunisia. Aba para jet to na jet lagi in 2026. You know, so Jovika lota. At least it's good you see what we've been saying because it's unfortunate that it got to him, but again, Iken Guru, I go thank you so much because we were space yesterday, duty called, and I can't get why that I got no news very soon. So I wasn't surprised when that thing filtered into it, but like I did put across for us to confirm the authenticity of the news. But again, it is. So to these remnants whom their faces are still not out there, they should come out of the bushes. Now the channel that encourage you guys to go into the bushes is denying everything. And even most of his lawyers and supporters and politicians, they are making a case that he was not on the crime scene. He did not commit any crime. Now, why are these small little boys who they've disorientated their brain with all kind of substance still in the bush? You cannot win the government. We cannot beg you for this. We've said this long enough. For the few remnants of you whose faces are still not known, do your family a favor. Come out. If it is Ivory Coast, go to Ivory Coast and stay. It is simple as ABCD. You will not escape this. At least most of you today are not high value targets. You are not Njemeko, Butozo, or millions. These whose faces are out there, and Aka tell is what over. For you that is still there, please, you're too young to waste your future. Come out of there. These people, what they set up is a franchise. So the echo is back again. What they set up is a franchise to milk you to make money off you. I understand you guys are into criminality, but it's a dangerous aspect of it. You guys are nothing but, carjackers, baby nappers, organs. You've committed atrocity against humanity, against the land. Come out. Your parents still need you. You can still be a better person if they want to. And to the people that carried out the operation, the joint security forces, we thank you well enough. And to the generals, I'm not gonna call your name, even if we happen to know your name. Thank you so much. Keep doing the good work. At least we cry out on social media. You guys hear our voices. Not like maybe we are so determined for this to end, but you guys are doing it. It's not an easy task. At least their hideout cannot save them. And to the communities, please cooperate with the security agencies. Do not hide them. Moreover, to our old women, I said this 2 days ago, yesterday, do not hide these people, give out the information. We need to recover our land. My brother, thank you so much. But last night, give me the very soon. I'm happy. We do. Hit the mute, unmute your mic.
Oh, thank you so much, my brother, for that wonderful contribution. Dibia Konuche is here. I don't know why he's not accepting this thing. Let me China Akara before. Okay, Divine Call. Let's hear from Divine Call, then Chinaka. Chinaka will now Okechukwu say, doctor, doc, I have for Makaga. That is I don't want my Maka. That's your gift. My brother, welcome. Divine Call.
Yeah, Ijele speaks.
Welcome.
On the money.
Dalu. Ejidego the Utobo is in custody.
Okay. Emma, my village, idea.
You mean Ria? Okay. I showed you one knock and then open you showed you.
Thank God for good news like this. My people can now rest. Yeah. You can of more. I'm just happy to hear it.
Thank you so much, my brother. Hey, I didn't know he has not finished. So, Dibia Konuche. Let's hear from Dibia Konuche. He said, Uchenna Chukuma. You send your request. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Simon, sir. Welcome. Oh.
Yeah,
Dalu, sir.
I intentionally want people to catch me when I'm eating. Make I so gentle, say,
No,
who can make you do?
Of course.
I can go to the end to the
Of course.
You know? How can you choose crime? Freedom. How can you be doing crime? Freedom.
Yes.
You see these guys, they are cowards.
Yes.
So a whole military to their real life.
He did not put one in his head. He did not put one in his head. Yeah. Obu mother
military to their life. Or Barinda, Adawolia. You are Fernando. Obu mother na have put you know? I was talking now. Going by all the atrocities done for me too. No can you ever chew away the supreme bubble. Imagine what I would go away laugh for. If it is possible for me, I will buy tickets and come and see him.
Yes.
There should not be anything like God.
Never.
What time was to open their mother? What time was to open their mother? Soldiers that need it, one by one after them. I didn't have a and then it will serve as a warning to every other person who think that you are fighting for Biafra. Don't fight for any Biafra for us. We don't want your Biafra. Nobody wants your Biafra. Go and know what you will do for yourself and better your life. Go and learn a trade, learn a skill, go to school. Come out from that bush. So, my brother, I am happy when I had it. In fact, it was yesterday. But I've been so busy.
Yeah, and the news broke midnight. The news broke midnight, so I was waiting for pure confirmation from our people in the army.
Yeah, I had it yesterday evening. Yesterday evening, here together 3-4. But now yeah. So I'm so happy. And then kudos to the military. Kudos to the military. And they should not relent. They should comb all the bushes everywhere. Yeah, be once and for all. I will need to be go. And the district at home, the governor should also key in and cancel this sit at home once and for all. And don't go and get the name their head. Their head, the name, I think either yesterday or day before yesterday. All of me were idea.
Yes, but Enugu have not posted his video interview or anything.
You know, so it's going simultaneously. What I go? So I can go on there. Can reach up on this name. Come on, just go because I have on a tano. So can you go see me?
Apatic.
So I can give all the letter.
I'm celebrating already. I'm celebrating already. We are celebrating in them. Oh, Chinaka, I can't see you. I can't see Chinaka. Chinaka, please send your request. Let me bring you on before we wrap it up. My people, well, I don't see a lot to thank you so much. All the people that are sending me. So, okay, people. Oh, in 11. I beg, I need we to go do 2G. Kana. Today, I will be as high as a kite. When I get locks, I know they drink again. I for drink, so when I go see me, I go fall for streets. Like I would have drank to stupor. But be that as it may, we get alternative. I say, if una see person where they fly for up, na me. na me. If una see person where they fly for up, na me. I will be as high as a kite. More than see now. So, as Anata, my brother, let me bring you on. Let me bring my brother on. My brother, we are winning. As Anata, we have dealt with them. They go hear me. Everybody must say one task for the Sadiq Abubakar. Yeah. My people, we will keep moving forward. We will keep going forward. Okay? My people, we are so happy that these guys are collecting their own. Say them the chopper. We are going to cleanse our place. Anybody that is running for office, please, you need to tell us if you are pro bingo or you are pro ndigo. You can't be both. All right, you can't be both at the same time. If you are not willing to work for us as a Nigerian representative, stay home.
Stay home. You understand? Stay home. Don't come at all. So, my wonderful people, I love you all. I thank you for joining me. Please spread the news. Be happy. Evil shall never last forever. This is what a real revolution looks like. It doesn't have to be announced. Our great father Malcolm X said the revolution will not be televised. You understand? So many people not gonna know when it happened. And it's like this. See the happiness in the house of Igbo. See how many Igbos that are rejoicing. Then see those that are angry. It shows you that we are now the majority. You understand? We are now the majority. Don't worry, people on TikTok, I will come to TikTok later this night. You are going to celebrate it. The celebration never stop. We will keep celebrating it. I love you all. Stay blessed. Peace out.